Hey guys, today I'm going to do a really quick review on this quote unquote fiber gel. I don't know if it is indeed an actual gel with fiber in it, aka fiberglass. That much I don't know. I couldn't find any information on their website. It just seems like it's the name of this gel, or at least that's what I've gathered. So could just be a marketing ploy. But I don't know if there's actual fiber in it. I did swatch on the top. This is the color Opaque Nude, and I'm reviewing it because I think it is the most perfect cover pink for my skin tone. So I'm really excited. I'm going to show you in the pot what it looks like. It's a very neutral pink, which is so refreshing. All of these other quote unquote cover pinks have a lot of magenta in them, or they're very bubblegum pink. They're a little crazy for me. I'm just not into it. And I mean, I don't think by any means, I'm not trying to trick anyone, but I feel like if you're going for the natural look, this color is beautiful. Again, for my skin tone. If you're much darker than me, it's gonna look crazy on you. Because this is what my nail beds pretty much look like. And actually have the product on right now with a little bit of wear. So it's been about a week and there's some regrowth you can see right there. Other than the shine, obviously, the color's pretty darn close. Now, I do have cold hands normally, so I've always had circulatory issues. I mean, I don't have anything chronic, but I'm one of those people who just, my hands are always cold. Excuse this scab. Mandolin kind of attacked me while I was slicing tomatoes, but I just wanted to show you, with that exception, with my hands always being cold, I tend to have a slightly purplish or blue tinge to my natural nail beds, which I don't personally like. So that's the only real difference between this cover pink color and my natural color is mine tends to be a little more on the blue side. But with that said, you can see, now this matte, this got a little bit dirty here. So this part here has a smudge. But from this portion back, you almost can't even tell where my natural nail is and where the cover pink is. This one being shiny, you can see the line right there, but in terms of hue, the color of the pink, it's pretty spot on. Now this one, you can see where the matte, I didn't quite reach all the way, so there's a little line of shine there, if you can see it. And I also have it on my thumb. You can see it kind of glistening there. So that's a pretty good indication. All of this is the cover pink and this is my natural nail bed. So again, really, really close in color. I'm super happy with this product. I mean, I did a sloppy job because I'm right-handed, so my right hand tends to not be done as well, but you can see here too. You almost can't tell where the product is and where my natural nail beds begin. So that's it. I hope this review helped. I will link below where you can get this. I got it on eBay. And again, I'll mention the color. This is the Opaque Nude. They have a bunch of other colors, but the photos on the website, it's just really hard to tell what color you're getting. So you can use this example as a gauge when you look at the other colors to try and guess what the others would be. And I hope this is helpful. You guys have a great weekend.